April, April, what you doing? Here's my mom and her friend. Just having a conversation because they're on their period. I'm just joking. Sometimes. Well, oh crap! Here comes my dog's barking again. This is Miss Shalonda. This is my mom.
Are you subscribed to his YouTube channel? Yeah, you need to.
August, come here. August.
Going to be something.
August, where you at? Oh, come here. August.
So he wants you to get him a Vine channel. Because you want to be a Viner.
August, come here. Say hi to the camera. August, come up here. Because I can't see you in the shadows.
Who?
But he just talked out. I can't see you in the shadows. That's awesome vocabulary.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Kind of flaming.
Yeah.
Say hello to the camera, August. You gonna be famous. You gonna make lots of money. Bro, you gonna make lots of money. Say hi to the camera, August.
And the dude tells me.
August looking like mother freaker. I'm gonna get my money. I wanna be a huge mother freaker. When am I gonna get my money?
You should have played one of those videos.
You gonna get your money later after I record this. Mother freaker, I want my money now.
About the fact that he
No.
damn
No. Forget your name, bye, Felicia.
30% of the ride there.
Because when he know he's going to the doctor, he don't know what to expect.
No.
Yeah, Mario on the floor. He acting so dumb. He drunk. In my house.
Interviews. We are about to leave. And he said, that's it? Yeah. I told you before we came, he just wanted to talk to you. He not sticking me.
Yeah.
I was like, nah. I
So
told you
dark.
we was gonna talk. He's like, okay. Can I get some Popeyes? I was like, yeah. We on a budget. You got
And there, Woody on.
He's like, okay.
Woody. There's Woody on Mario's butt. Just joking. Hey, April. Come here. Come here, April. April. Oh, August looks so cute.
Then he get there and act perfect.
April. Say hi to the camera.
Whatever.
April, say hi to the camera.
And the other thing that happened
April,
today,
say hi to the
like, talk about this with you. I talk about it with Greg.
And she don't like nobody. April, say hi to the
All
camera.
the stuff I went through with Greg about putting the kids
And
on
she
the
like,
I
I ain't about to be looking at you. Leave me alone, boy.
So they called me today
Okay,
while I'm running around doing weddings.
Come here.
And I
April,
answered,
say hi to the camera.
and she was
For real.
like, are you working
Say
right
hi.
now? I was like, no.
All your fans love you, April.
Somebody from the Department of Human Services.
They like
I
you
said,
too.
no. I explained the situation.
Hey,
to
Augie
her,
Woggy.
and I told her, you can look
You
it
wanna
up on
be
what the
recorded
fuck. You know
again?
everything on the goddamn internet.
Motherfucker, give me my money.
That I had
I'm
my
not freaking
surgery.
playing.
They
Give me
told
my money.
back after
Give me my money.
and I have to
I have
go to
to.
work.
Give me my money. Give me my freaking money. No! I will kill you if you don't give me money. Bye.
I took 4 weeks off.
August is still mad at me that I still didn't get his money.
I had made up my mind that I was okay.
April, you look so
I went
cute.
back one day.
Whoa!
They wrote me
Whoa!
up.
Oh!
Situation.
Oh!
I'm not going to go back.
Oh!
So that Greg said it was okay. Yes, they are.
Oh!
Yeah, I did. She was like, that's messed up. I was like, absolutely. But you know what? I'm okay. She was like, how are you making it? I said, I am.
Go get her. Oh crap! It's about to get
I
real.
have friends that support me. I have family that supports me. I'm okay. My children have set the game up. I'm so blessed. I'm going to prove this. You're going to have 10 carats.
Oh, it's about to get real.
Which fucked me up because I had just went through all that shit with Greg about putting the kids on the insurance. Now we got 10 carats.
Hey, bro.
Because
Say hi to the
knew
camera.
What they were trying to do was illegal. You can't violate, you know what I'm saying?
Come on, April.
She said, your car will be there in a week.
April, come
I
on.
was like, okay. Didn't tell her.
Come on.
I'm about to get married.
Come on.
Put us all on
Come on,
all
August.
that battle with.